Oh, have a good day to everyone. I will visit my plant here that I planting here in my block. See, there is a small fruits here, but I don't know if this is will grow or coming big or not, because you know the climate now is very hot. But if you are checking here, alhamdulillah, there is one fruit here, one fruit. And there is another here, small. Oh, and also there is another here, you see? See another here. So in one tree, there is he give two fruits like this. One little big and another small. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. So we will go check the another, maybe there is another fruit. Even this the climate is very hot. I'm happy this is forcing to give fruits. Oh, aywa, number one. There is a ripe melon here. But this melon even is not big, but alhamdulillah. Now ripe, see? You know, it's good to planting here because no need to put water. This kind of planting is like lazy gardening, because after you planting, you will not need to put water anymore, because downside this soil is every time this is wet. See the soil until now is wet, so you will no need to put water after you planting, and then waiting if there is a fruits need to harvest after only harvesting. Now there is a one. Alhamdulillah. Okay, this is only now for our video. Thank you for our viewer. Next time again.